Introducing the world's first grand utility vehicle, the GUV. Are you ready to step into the grand new world with the all-new Kia Carnival? The all-new Kia Carnival has undergone a design evolution to return in a more refined exterior and much spacious interior, more capable than before as it sets a new standard in a class of its own. Dubbed as the world's first grand utility vehicle, it is not just an MPV, it's a GUV. At the front, the Carnival's iconic tiger nose grille design extends across the width of the vehicle, seamlessly integrating its LED daytime running lights, headlamps, and grille to create a sense of harmony and structural energy. This gives the car a confident look as well as a unique light signature. Also drawing inspiration from Kia's SUV are the sculpted bumpers and the lower air intake at the front that are matched with the metallic trim and the lower back bumper. This revolutionary SUV-inspired design of the Carnival continues at the rear, with a metallic lower skid plate together with a full-width light bar gives it a more robust appearance. The Kia Carnival comes with the new 2.2-litre SmartStream diesel engine and is one of the cleanest diesel units that Kia has ever made, producing 202 PS at 3,800 RPM and 440 Nm of torque from 1,750 to 2,750 RPM. With an overall length at 5,155 mm, it is 40 mm longer than its predecessor, with a 30 mm longer rear overhang that creates even more space for third-row passengers. Standing at a height of 1,775 mm, you don't have to worry about maneuvering in and out of most car parks with a common height limit of about 2 meters. It's hard to think of a smarter car than the Kia Carnival. With just one touch on the smart key button, you can access the remote one-touch power doors and lift gates to open or close all the doors at the same time. Not only that, it also comes with smart power tailgate and power sliding doors that open when the smart key is held nearby for 3 seconds, offering easy entry and exit for passengers on the second and third row seats. Let's enter the grand new world as we explore the Kia Carnival's extensive premium smart interior. Not only is the Kia Carnival a delight for the driver, rides on it will also be a joy for your whole family with its unrivaled space and thoughtful interior. With features such as tri-zone temperature controls on the second row seats and also retractable sunshade curtains on both the second and third row seats, your passengers can travel in absolute comfort and privacy. Second row passengers in the 7-seater Carnival are in for a premium business class experience in Kia's reclining premium relaxation seats, with features such as the adjustable back, arm, and leg rests. It also offers a one-touch relaxation mode that automatically reclines and adjusts the seats for maximum comfort on a long drive. The 8-seater Carnival offers more flexibility in seating arrangements, with the middle seat able to be rotated 180 degrees to accommodate a child safety seat or even folded down as a table. The second row seats can also be entirely removed to afford even more legroom for passengers, making it spacious and comfortable to ride in. With luggage mode, a lever allows you to fold down the third row seat to accommodate more boot space. As much as the passengers enjoy the ride at the back, it is as enjoyable for the driver. Kia's latest 4.2-inch instrument cluster and 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers convenience for its driver with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, while a smartphone charger also offers convenience of charging your phone without the hassle and mess of cables. The 3-step adjustable heated and ventilated front seats offer maximum comfort in all situations. This is also available for the second row seats in the premium 7-seater variant. The Kia Carnival is also built with safety innovations to ensure maximum peace of mind during traveling for both you and your family. These comprise of the forward collision avoidance assist with car, pedestrian, and cyclist detection to warn and automatically apply brakes to avoid or reduce severity of an accident. Blind spot collision warning alerts you when a vehicle is detected in your blind spot during a lane change. It also alerts you to approaching vehicles when exiting a parallel parking space. Lane following assist automatically steers the vehicle back to the center of the lane if it senses that you're drifting out of the lane. The Kia Carnival is also the first car offered by Kia Singapore that comes with the Safe Exit Assist, the SEA technology on its power sliding doors. The system prevents passengers from opening the door if the car is detected approaching from behind on either side. Coupled with the get on and off puddle light, it ensures that your passengers will always exit the Carnival safely. A brand new world of design, space, and innovations awaits you and your family.